Hello, and welcome to another training video hosted by Wellness Living. Let us get started. Hello, my name is Erica Gonzalez, and today we will be walking through the new improvement now being able to specify your batch cutoff times. I have arrived here into store configuration from the setup into store settings. When I scroll down, I am now able to see the new setting to be able to configure my batch report cutoff times. Now, previously it was not possible for the batch report to not line up with deposits received from a payment processor on any given day. And this could have been due to several factors, but primarily it was because different businesses had different batch cutoff times with their payment processors, and the batch report didn't even account for this. So now with this new improvement, you are able to specify your exact batch cutoff times in a more accurate manner, and it will synchronize to your batch numbers directly from your payment processor. And this will result in every transaction in the system tied to a batch settlement, resulting in reconciling transactions with your bank deposits. And great also for those who are using finance that these batch numbers will also synchronize into QuickBooks deposits. And there will now be a clear reference between Wellness Living, QuickBooks, and bank deposits. Let's break this down. And so here you are able to specify your batch cutoff time in hours, minutes, and AM or PM. You are able to select from the drop-down menu your time zone. By default, the batch cutoff time will be according to the business's selected payment processor. And if you need to confirm this, please contact your merchant processor to confirm their batch cutoff times. The second section, synchronize batch number from merchant processor. When toggled off, the batch number will not be generated from the payment processor, but instead a sequential number will be generated by Wellness Living. If toggled on, it will synchronize the batch number from the payment processor every 30 minutes after the batch cutoff time. And just to note that this batch report setting may not be available to all businesses at this time, as not all processors support synchronizing batch numbers. Now let's go into our reports, where we will see a new additional column added to the all sales report and batch report. So within sales, it'll expand, and then I will go into the all sales report. And within the all sales report, as it loads, we will see now a new column. And this column we will be able to access by moving the bar horizontally. And we will see that now there's a new column dedicated for batch number. The same column will also appear in our batch report. Finally, this will also be reflected within finance within Audi history. And so that is everything those are all the improvements for now being able to specify your batch cutoff time. We thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.